Gee, I sure like books, and animals too. If only there was a book about helping animals that anyone can enjoy.
There is.
There is?
Yes. All Creatures Great and Small by James Herriot. One of the great authors of All Things Bright and Beautiful, All Things Wise and Wonderful, All Things Scary and Ferocious.
But what is this book all about?
It is about the challenges and strange cases writer, narrator, and main character James Herriot faces in his life as a veterinarian, full of strange animals and even stranger people.
Sounds great. I'm getting a copy now.
Get your copy today!